DJI is about to release a new drone, and many of you have probably heard about it already. Most of the speculation suggests that this is likely an engineering prototype of the DJI Mavic 4. From the leaked video, we can see that this is a prototype used for testing, and it has already crashed. There's a Hasselblad logo on the gimbal camera, indicating that this is a relatively high-end aerial photography drone. So it's highly likely the anticipated next-generation DJI Mavic 4. Let's take a look at the main body of the DJI Mavic 4. There's no protruding forehead section, like on the DJI Mavic 3. This means that when the gimbal is tilted upwards, the upward shooting angle will be significantly improved. However, this raises a question. Where's the front vision obstacle avoidance placed on the DJI Mavic 4? Let's see how DJI resolves this. We can see there are 3 fisheye cameras on the top and 3 on the bottom, making a total of 6. This perfectly solves the issue of omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. The number of obstacle avoidance cameras on the DJI Mavic 4 is 2 less than the previous generation, which will reduce hardware costs. This is typical of how DJI addresses issues. They prefer using software algorithms to solve problems instead of relying on hardware. Now, regarding the gimbal on the DJI Mavic 4, it has changed from the previous square design to a spherical one. The advantage of this is that the gimbal's flexibility will be greatly enhanced. It's estimated that, in addition to the up and down tilt, the DJI Mavic 4 might also add a side-to-side roll axis rotation. This would allow for lossless vertical shooting, similar to the Mini 4 Pro. On the back of the body, there's a test list, and most of the testing items have already been checked off. The list shows that this is a golden sample, which is an early test prototype, so the color and material of the body are definitely different from what will be in the final mass-produced version. Let's look at the battery. It's noticeably larger than what was expected, so there will likely be an improvement in flight time. I'll update you as soon as there are more leaks about the DJI Mavic 4 or other drones. Until then, take care.